Hi, and welcome to our channel, Come Draw With Us. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps to draw this super simple magic potion bottle. The first thing we're going to do is prepare a canvas, so we're going to change the background to black. So click on your layers and then background color, and double click down in the dark, and that will default it to black, and click on done. We also want to set up the symmetry tool, so click on the wrench icon and then drawing guide, edit drawing guide, click on symmetry, and then options, make sure the vertical is checked. There's a line that shows up in the screen, but it doesn't quite show up because it's a black background. So go ahead and drag your circle all the way to the right. It's still a faint line, so if you want to see it even more, go ahead and increase your opacity and the thickness. And then click done. So now anything we draw on one side will show up on the other. Using a light gray color, we're going to go ahead and draw the shape of our bottle. You can do any shape that you'd like. I'm just going to do mine more like a beaker style. Once you've drawn it, go ahead and drag in the color. And then we are going to add a new layer, and we're going to draw the lid of the bottle. Turn on the drawing guide by clicking on it and click on drawing assist, and then just draw a rectangular shape at the top. And drag and drop the color. Before we start making any changes to our bottle, we want to duplicate this bottom layer. So just click on layer 1, duplicate it, and turn off that bottom layer. On this layer, we're going to erase away the inside of the bottle to give it a glass-like appearance. So on the eraser tool, using your soft brush, can be found under the airbrushing category, erase away most of the inside of the bottle. And we'll do the same thing for the lid. You can see parts of the bottle behind the lid. Let's just go to the bottle layer and erase that completely. Now we also want to give it a reflection. So click on a new layer, and using white and also using your soft brush, let's go ahead and draw some lines. And then we'll smooth it out by using the Gaussian blur tool. So click on the wand, Gaussian blur, and swipe your pencil to the right. I'm going to blur it about 10%. Then we'll go ahead and just merge that reflection down with the bottle. Now we want to make our potion. So turn this bottom layer back on and click on it and click on Alpha Lock. And this will be our potion. So you can use any color you'd like. I'm going to use pink. So select your color, click on the layer, click Fill Layer. Now we just want to reduce it so that it fits within the bottle. Like that. I also don't want my potion to be so full, so I'm going to turn off the drawing assist, and then I'm going to erase away some parts of the potion. And to erase away this top part, I'm just going to use the selection tool, automatic, and click on it. Then use 3 fingers to swipe down and click cut. Sometimes there's still a little line that shows up, so I'll just erase that with my pencil. And there is our potion. But we want to add some detail to it, so we want to give it a water-like quality. So above the potion layer, add a new layer, click on it, and click on clipping mask. And then in your brush categories, click on elements and use the water brush. And using a color slightly lighter than your potion color, go ahead and draw over it. And it just gives it a water-like texture. I think my brush size right there was about 34%. We also want to add some bubbles. So add a new layer, making sure you're beneath your bottle, and go back to your original potion color, and also go back to your monoline brush. Just off to the side, draw a circle. And when you hold your finger on the screen, it locks in place as a perfect circle. So go ahead and drag the color in. We're going to erase away most of it, to again just give it an airy bubble-like quality. I'm going to keep more color kind of on the right hand side a little. And we also want to add a reflection to that. So add a new layer, and using white, go ahead and draw a couple lines to follow the curve of the circle. And we'll smooth it out by using the Gaussian blur tool to about 5%. Go ahead and merge the reflection down with your bubble. And now you can duplicate this bubble for as many times as you like and place it anywhere around the bottle that you want to. If you want to make it look like it's coming out of the potion, go ahead and add a bubble that's halfway in, halfway out. And using your eraser tool, just erase what's beneath the potion layer. Okay, so there you have some bubbles coming out of the bottle. And the last thing we want to do is just add some smoke to it. So go to the very bottom and add a new layer and move it beneath your potion. And then using your potion color and using the soft brush, draw in a smoke-like shape, just some wavy lines coming up. And connect the bottom, and then we're just going to drop in the color. Now we'll just do like we did the bottle, where we just erase away some of the middle of the smoke. And we'll also smooth it out by using the Gaussian blur tool. By about 15%. So when I turn off my drawing guide, here you have the completed magic potion bottle. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial simple to follow. Please stay tuned for more easy Halloween tutorials, because in the end we'll put them all together to make a super cute picture.